Find out how hurricane shutters will save you money.
We left our area, we evacuated, but we pulled down all the shutters and closed the whole house. And when we came back, we opened up the shutters and came in the house, and it basically looked like nothing happened. And we were told with Hurricane Milton, the winds even exceeded more than 100 miles an hour in our area. It was like nothing happened to our house. They performed above our expectations.
Our shutters can prevent costly storm damage, keep water out, and protect your property value. Invest now and save thousands later with RollShield.